Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a fantastic little trick in Canva, how to merge multiple items together. If you've been wishing your text, images, or other elements would stick as one so you can move or resize them all at once, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to group and manage different items in Canva, making your designing workflow way smoother and faster. Alright, let's jump right in. First, head over to Canva. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do that now. Canva can be used right in your browser or with the app, whichever you prefer. They both work for this tutorial. Once you're on the Canva homepage, look for that big Create a Design button. Click it, and now instead of picking one of the preset options, let's select Custom Size. This is super useful if you're working with specific dimensions, maybe for a logo, a social media graphic, or just experimenting with different layouts. For this example, set your size to 100 by 50 pixels. That's nice and small, which makes it perfect for testing, but feel free to use whatever measurements best fit your project. Hit that Create New Design button, and Canva will open up your brand new blank canvas. Next, let's start adding some content. Click on the text tool, usually on the left toolbar. You can go with one of the preset text styles or just a simple heading. Type in anything you like, maybe your name, a project title, your favorite quote, it's up to you. Now let's add some other elements to spice things up. Click on Elements and browse for shapes, icons, or maybe a line. You can add as many as you want, just drag and drop them onto your canvas. Think of these elements as separate stickers that you're arranging however you see fit. Now comes the magic, merging, or more accurately, grouping all these separate pieces together so they'll act like a single item. What you want to do is click and drag your mouse to draw a little box around all the items, or simply hold Shift and click each of them one by one. You should see each piece get highlighted, kind of like selecting multiple files on your computer desktop. With everything selected, look for the Group button, usually at the top right of the Canva editor. Go ahead and click that. This is the moment where Canva treats all your separate bits as one. Try clicking on any item or piece of text you just grouped and then drag it to a new spot. Notice how they all stay perfectly together, keeping their layout intact. That's because they're now grouped. This feature is really powerful. I like to think of grouping as putting your selected items in an invisible folder so you can move and scale them as a team instead of individually. And that's all there is to it. You've just learned how to merge, or more precisely group, multiple items in Canva. This skill comes in super handy whether you're designing for work, social media, or just for fun. Remember, don't worry if it takes a moment to get the hang of selecting everything at once. Just take your time and you'll get faster with a little practice. If this tutorial helped you out, give it a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments if you have any questions or if there's something else in Canva you want to learn about. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy, helpful design tips. Thanks for watching and happy creating.